Hey friends, welcome back to Cabin and Cottage. Step into this stunning vintage brownstone winter home, where restoration hardware vibes meet timeless warmth. Think cozy oak floors, greige walls glowing in soft sunlight, from foyer to garden. Let's tour this dream escape together. Step into this cozy foyer where warm greige walls hug a welcoming console topped with brass glow. Oak floors gleaming under winter sun. Feels like home sweet home right from the threshold, inviting you to linger with that plush bench hug. Picture sinking into oversized linen sofas in the living room, leather pillows piled high around a rugged stone table, sunlight dancing across wool rugs. Pure luxury that whispers relax and stay a while in timeless comfort. Curl up in the family room's deep sectional, wool throws draped just so over the media nook, oak floors underfoot softened by textured rugs. It's that perfect spot for movie nights and heartfelt chats bathed in soft winter light. Gather round the dining table with its linen runner and stoneware glow. Chairs begging for stories amid brass chandelier sparkle, sunlight warming every corner. Makes holiday meals feel like cherished traditions come alive. Whip up magic at the kitchen island, leather stools tucked under warm wood cabinets, brass pulls catching sunbeams on oak floors. Love how this heart-of-home space blends function with that effortless, inviting elegance. Sneak into the butler's pantry for coffee bliss, shelves brimming with stoneware amid marble counters, sunlight filtering over oak warmth. Your little ritual spot that turns mornings into cozy, indulgent moments. Drift off in the master bedroom's king bed haven, linen layers and wool throws against paneled bliss, winter light caressing greige walls. Nothing beats this serene retreat designed for deep restorative dreams. Organize your world in the walk-in closets with shelves and leather pulls, sunlight highlighting folded linens on oak floors. Feels empowering yet peaceful, like your style sanctuary wrapped in timeless warmth. Freshen up at the Vanity's double stone basins, brass faucets gleaming beside framed mirrors, oak floors under soft sun glow. Elegant mornings here make self-care feel luxuriously simple and soothing. Tuck the kids into twin beds with playful linens and wool touches, storage benches ready for treasures, sunlight spilling over oak. Sweet dreams await in this whimsical nook full of growing-up magic. Unwind in the guest room's queen bed piled with plush duvets and leather pillows, stone lamps glowing softly, winter light on greige. Welcomes visitors like old friends with cozy, heartfelt hospitality. Dive into work at the library desk, leather chair facing oak shelves of stories untold, sunlight motivating across oak floors, your productive haven where ideas flow in elegant, sun-kissed focus. Lounge on the terrace's teak sectional with wool throws by the fire pit, stone pavers echoing indoor oak, winter sun warming the brownstone facade, outdoor escape that extends home's cozy embrace. Wander the garden's stone paths amid evergreens and wood planters, teak bench calling for quiet reflection, sunlight through bare branches on the facade, nature's timeless hug right at your back door. What a tour, right? That brownstone beauty nailed warm timeless style with oak warmth, greige elegance, and winter sun magic through every room. Loved it? Hit like, subscribe for more cozy inspo, and drop your fave space in the comments. We chat back.